Alright everybody, in this video we're going to be doing step-by-step math explanations with Wolfram. We're going to be taking a integral and then doing the derivative of it to get a of x prime and evaluating it at a certain interval of x. Let's get started. So in these problems we're going to evaluate a of x at x equals 1, 2, and 3. For this specific problem, we're going to be doing this one right here. A of x equals 3 minus t squared, and that is our equation. So if we take the integral of this, integrating upon t from 0 to x, we have this equation. Now this is the actual equation, but if we are in calculus class and we need to figure out how to explain it, we're going to need more than that. So if you click at the bottom of the cell, you'll get this line. And by hitting the plus button, you'll have the option to do a Wolfram alpha query. If we pass in our function and our parameters and hit Shift Enter, we will have more info. And more importantly, we have access to step-by-step explanations. It'll show us how we got that answer. And we can use that in our explanations or when we show our work. But since we need to continue this problem, let's take that output. Let's get a prime of x by taking the derivative of the output that Wolfram already calculated. To do that, we're going to copy and paste. Copy and paste it into a new cell. Press Shift Enter. And then what we want to do is we want to take the x derivative. Sometimes that suggestion bar doesn't show, so you're going to need to hit that button and then double click the line. By clicking the x derivative, it'll calculate that derivative for you, and you get this function. One thing that I didn't quite mention very well is how functions are defined in Mathematica. If you're going to create a function in which you want to pass variables to it, it's best to do it this way. So a of x would be a equals function, and it takes a parameter of x, and the actual function is 3 minus x squared. Pressing Shift Enter will give you the output, which is just the function. And then when you actually take a and substitute x for that variable, it'll do the calculation for you. That is how you do it. If you have any more questions on how to do pipe different variables and pass different functions in Wolfram, let me know. But this is the basics of doing a simple Wolfram alpha query, doing integration, and doing a derivative, all within a Wolfram notebook. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll probably post more. Thanks.